PowerShell 5.1 is already on your Windows 10 machine, but version 7 is faster, more powerful, and packed with features well beyond what version 5.1 can handle. Alright, let's check which version of PowerShell you currently have in your computer. Right-click on the Windows Start icon and select Windows PowerShell Admin. We need administrator privileges for this. Once the terminal is open, type the following command and hit Enter. As you can see here, my current version is 5.1, so let's go ahead and install the latest version. To install the latest version, type the following command into the terminal. Don't worry, you can find this command from description section of this video. Take a moment to double check the command, and once you are confident it is correct, press Enter. The installation process will now begin, and the latest version of PowerShell will start downloading automatically. At the time of this video, the latest version available is 7.5.4.0. Depending on your internet speed, this may take a moment, so just sit back and wait for it to finish. Once the download is complete, the installation will start automatically. No additional steps required from your side, simply wait for the installation to complete. Perfect! PowerShell 7 has been installed successfully. Now, here is something important. When you try to check the PowerShell version again, you still see the previous version. There is a straightforward explanation for that, because you now have two versions of PowerShell installed on your machine, and they run independently from one another. To open the newly installed PowerShell 7, click on the Windows search bar and type PowerShell. You will see two options appear: the old version, recognizable by its classic blue logo, and PowerShell 7, identified by its black logo. If you want to find PowerShell 7 even faster, simply type PWSH in the search bar. Then click on the PowerShell 7 result. The terminal will open, and you will immediately see that you are now running the latest version. To verify, type the same command again and press Enter. This will display the latest version of PowerShell currently installed on your system. So that is how you can install the latest version of PowerShell 7 on Windows 10.